Most believe wealth comes from long hours or many skills. Yet, many successful individuals build income streams from a single expertise. In this video, we'll explore how one skill transforms into a complete income ecosystem. You'll learn practical ways to multiply your earnings without starting from zero. Why is one skill more powerful than many? Mastering a single valuable skill can lead to greater profits than being average at many things. High-value skills include writing, graphic design, programming, video editing, marketing, teaching, sales, investing, photography, and using AI tools. Each skill contains hidden opportunities most miss. For example, a graphic designer can work with clients, sell templates, create courses, build a YouTube channel, offer consulting, and sell digital products. One skill becomes many businesses. Now, let's discuss the income pyramid strategy, which builds layers of income. Level 1 is active income, where you exchange time for money. Think of freelancing, consulting, or employment. A video editor works with clients and earns monthly income, building experience and reputation for future opportunities. Level 2 is productize income, where you turn services into products. Create templates, guides, ebooks, or digital downloads. For example, a designer creates logo templates, earning repeatedly without extra work. Level 3 is education income, where people pay to learn. Offer courses, workshops, or memberships. Teaching multiplies income because knowledge can spread infinitely. Level 4 is audience income, building an audience for more opportunities. Platforms include YouTube, blogs, or social media. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. An audience becomes an asset. Let's look at real examples. A writer may earn from freelance writing, ebooks, courses, and affiliate marketing. A photographer might earn from client work, stock photos, and workshops. The richest people don't just sell time, they build systems around their expertise. Now, follow the 5-step blueprint. Step 1. Choose one valuable skill. Focus and master it. Step 2. Earn active income first to gain experience. Step 3. Create products to package your knowledge into assets. Step 4. Build an audience to create trust, unlocking more opportunities. Step 5. Scale through systems with automation and digital platforms to work less and create more value. Be mindful of common mistakes. Don't try to learn too many skills or wait for perfection. Ignoring audience building and only trading time for money will hold you back. Remember, assets work for you even when you don't. A single skill can become a career or an entire ecosystem. The key is turning one skill into many opportunities. Identify one skill. Solve real problems. Create products. Build an audience. Develop systems. The future belongs to those who turn knowledge into assets. Start with one skill and build your own financial ecosystem. In this journey of transforming a single skill into a thriving income ecosystem, it's essential to understand the underlying mindset. Embrace the concept that your mastery of one skill can unlock countless avenues. Imagine a scenario where your proficiency not only satisfies clients but also inspires others to seek your knowledge. Each interaction, each transaction, builds a foundation for your future exploits, shaping your path forward in a competitive landscape. This mindset fuels creativity, and soon, your initial skill sets off a chain reaction of income streams that enhances your financial resilience. In the quest to turn your expertise into a successful income ecosystem, it is vital to adopt a proactive approach. Begin by identifying a niche within your skill set that resonates with both your passions and market demands. Research the needs of your audience, understand their challenges and desires. This insight will not only refine your offerings but also position you as a go-to expert in an area that genuinely excites you. By focusing on a specific niche, your marketing becomes more effective, making it easier to attract clients and customers who value what you can provide. As you delve deeper, remember that every connection you make can lead to new opportunities. This interconnected web of relationships will amplify your reach and influence, further solidifying your presence as an authority in your field. To effectively monetize your skill, leverage strategic marketing techniques that showcase your value. Use social media platforms to amplify your message. Share success stories, tutorials, or insights that resonate with your audience's needs. Collaborate with other experts to broaden your reach, gaining exposure to potential clients who may not have encountered your work otherwise. As your visibility grows, remember to engage consistently with your audience. This interaction fosters loyalty and encourages word-of-mouth referrals, turning satisfied customers into advocates for your brand. By strategically positioning yourself as a trusted resource, you nurture an environment that cultivates further opportunities for income generation, forming a thriving ecosystem around your singular expertise. The next step involves translating your accumulated knowledge into tangible offerings. Begin by creating digital products like e-books or online courses that encapsulate your expertise. These products act as income generators that require minimal effort after the initial creation, allowing you to earn while you sleep. Enhance your digital presence by utilizing platforms that host your courses or showcase your e-books, making them easily accessible to clients eager to learn from you. As demand for your products grows, reinvest your earnings into refining and updating them, ensuring continued relevance in an ever-evolving market. This ongoing cycle of creation and improvement ignites greater interest in your offerings and expands your income ecosystem. Through productization, you not only enhance your earning potential but also establish a legacy of knowledge that extends beyond your direct interactions. Next, it's crucial to focus on audience building, which acts as a cornerstone for sustainable income. Start by identifying the platforms where your target audience resides and engage with them regularly. Share valuable insights, answer questions, and participate in relevant discussions to establish your authority. Consider creating a mailing list to nurture your audience further, offering exclusive content that encourages loyalty and fosters a sense of community. As you build this relationship, your audience will be more willing to invest in your products and services, driving multiple streams of income that continuously feed your ecosystem. Consistency in communication and quality content will ensure your momentum is sustained over time. Now, as foundational pieces fall into place, it's time to scale your efforts. Embrace automation tools to streamline repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on high-impact activities that drive growth. By implementing systems that manage your marketing, client interactions, and content distribution, you free up valuable time, empowering you to innovate and expand your income opportunities. The beauty of this systematic approach lies in its potential for sustainable income generation, fostering not just personal success, but a broader financial ecosystem built on your unique skill set. The journey towards financial independence and success is anchored in the commitment to mastering that one skill, transforming it into a multifaceted income source. By embracing this transformative approach, you not only create your own opportunities but also inspire others to take the leap into their own ecosystems of abundance.